Here's the first method. Reset microphone permission. Open your computer settings. In settings, select privacy and security and scroll down. Under app permissions, click on microphone. In here, turn off microphone access. Then wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Also, turn off let app access your microphone and turn it back on after a few seconds. Now let's see the next method. Right click on your start menu, open device manager. Under device manager, expand audio inputs and outputs. Right click on your microphone, click on disable device, click on yes. After disabling your microphone, again right click on your microphone. Now click on enable device. This will reactivate your microphone in your computer and this will reset your microphone. And here's the last method. Uninstall and reinstall microphone. So again, under device manager, right click on your microphone. This time click on uninstall device. Once you successfully uninstalled your microphone device, now simply restart your computer. Windows reinstalls fresh settings automatically once you restart your PC. So that's how you can actually reset our microphone. Thanks for watching.